Hey guys, I just want to make this video talking about marketing automation and how awesome it is. I know that it definitely wasn't awesome when I first started out because of all the technical pieces that I had to have working together in order to make this happen. And now it's just so much easier. And I have less pieces now. Before it was I had to have lead pages, I had to have Aweber, I had to have like a shopping cart provider. I had to have a membership site, all of that stuff working together. And now it is just so incredibly awesome because I was looking at a timeline because I wanted to put together some basically some pictures for a presentation showing how awesome and how easy marketing automation is when it works properly, right? When you've got things set up to make things easy. And the cool thing is that in these pictures, I was able to look at a timeline and it showed the entire sequence of automation completely laid out. So what I mean is that right at the very bottom of the timeline, and this is inside my email provider, right? So it shows me where this person came from. It shows that this person watched, well, essentially they came from YouTube. So that means that this person did some searching, found me on YouTube, watched a video that I had on YouTube, and either in the video or under the video, there was some type of call to action to get them to go from YouTube over to my funnel. And you can see basically the next step on the timeline shows that they came to my funnel and that they opted in, put in their name and email address, and that's why I'm able to see their information as an email subscriber. But it's just like an actual timeline. So it shows the events, it shows after that, after they became a subscriber, because they opted in with that particular funnel, that they received a particular email sequence, right? Because what happened with that funnel is that when they opted in, they were presented with an offer on the thank you page, right? And some people, they're just in such a hurry to get whatever the PDF is. Once they opt in and they get to the thank you page, they just close it immediately. They don't even care what's on that page because they know that the goods, the lead magnet, the PDF, the checklist, whatever it is going to be sent to their email address. So they'll just close off that page, go over to their email address, and get their thing. So the cool thing is the way that I had this automation set up is that it would go and basically kind of branch into two. So instead of just like, okay, sending just like their lead magnet, it would branch, and one branch sent their lead magnet to them. The other branch started an email campaign that pointed them to the offer that they passed on. And the cool thing is the next step on the timeline, I could see that they went, clicked on one of the emails from the campaign, read what was in that email, clicked the link inside there, went over to the sales page, watched the sales page, because then it shows the next item on the timeline is that they made a purchase and became a customer. So you can see the entire sequence of events where this person went from YouTube all the way through to becoming a customer and buying the product. And then again, you can see in the automation that the automation knew that they became a customer, stopped sending them emails saying, hey, go buy this thing, because after they bought it, how annoying would that be to get emails saying, go buy this thing, go buy this thing. And it's like, I already bought it. So the automation knew that they had purchased and then stopped sending them emails and then started sending them onboarding emails, the ones that are designed for new customers to get them to go and enjoy the product. So that is how awesome and how easy marketing automation can be, and all that stuff, all the delivery, everything, all handled, everything was done behind the scenes. All I did was get a notification once the payment went through. So that is the point of marketing automation, and that is definitely why you want to have it set up and why you want to use it. So take advantage of it, set it up yourself. I'll see you in the next video.